From the companies that you've worked with, I'm sure you've seen what great leadership looks like. You've also seen what, not the greatest leadership looks like. And I'm curious from your thoughts, like what makes a great leader, and what makes a poor manager, a poor leader, a poor one?
Well, you're a great leader, Ryan.
Oh gosh.
No, I'm actually serious, right? So like you look at the values that you have at Upkeep, and you're about progression versus perfection. You're about grit and not prestige, and it's about helping the customer first. Those are things that people can get behind in their work. And not only like are you putting that forward as you a leader, but also you can see the impact that's having where, Upkeep's doing a lot of stuff for your customers with respect to COVID, with respect to helping out in the community. And that's kind of the impact that you're having as that, high impact leader. And you've seen me step up as this leader in our space and step out as, this guy who talks about mental health, this guy who talks about people and connection, love, vulnerability, courage, leadership. And for me, the first sort of hurdle I had to conquer was even seeing myself as a leader. And I think everybody listening to this call, regardless if you have direct reports or not, you are a leader because there are people in your life that you can influence to become the best people that they can be. And that's what leadership is.
I absolutely love that, Rob. And I 100% believe that too. Being a leader is about your ability to influence and impact people in a positive meaning and positive manner. I think you've done that so greatly for the maintenance and reliability community. I'm sure you've done it for so many people within your life as well.